We all know jackhammering is the old method of removing concrete and can lead to rebar damage, vibration problems, and microfractures. Those fractures damage the substrate, weakening it and reducing the strength of sound concrete. Now there's a better way to remove deteriorated and delaminated concrete. Hydrodemolition is the preferred high-speed method of concrete removal where specific areas of a structure are repaired or rehabilitated. The remaining concrete has an excellent bonding surface and is clean and ready for resurfacing. Engineers and many state departments of transportation specify hydrodemolition for concrete removal because they recognize the significant advantages over mechanical methods of removal. IVS Hydro Incorporated is a national leader specializing in hydrodemolition and has decades of experience as a specialty contractor. Our customers require the highest standards of safety, performance, and value. Quality and on-time project completion are essential. That is why we still have our very first customer. It's no surprise that bridges, parking garages, and other concrete structures need to be repaired and rehabilitated. All concrete surfaces deteriorate from excessive use, wear, and chloride penetration. When concrete has deteriorated, it is necessary to remove any unsound material in order to replace it and maintain the integrity of the structure. Conventional concrete deck repair is very labor-intensive. Hydrodemolition gets the job done in a fraction of the time. It saves the traveling public the inconvenience of extended bridge closings during repair. IVS Hydro can provide selective removal of concrete by precisely controlling the amount of pressure used. The equipment is designed to remove concrete to a prescribed depth of sound concrete and complete removal of weakened unsound concrete. From scarification of 1/4 inch of concrete to complete full-depth hydrodemolition, IVS Hydro has the equipment and experience to complete the job in less time, which saves money on your construction project. IVS Hydro operates state-of-the-art hydrodemolition units on bridge decks, elevated highways, piers, parking garages, and other concrete structures. IVS Hydro crews are also experts at hydrodemolition for vertical and overhead concrete removal and surface preparation. Our pumping units are rated from 20,000 to 40,000 psi. This allows our hydrodemolition equipment to handle any job. A fleet of vacuum trucks is used for debris cleanup as a service in conjunction with the bridge deck removal. Advanced filtration and collection methods reduce any impact on the environment. Hydrodemolition is very effective in removing concrete from around embedded metal, such as reinforcing steel, expansion joints, anchorages, conduits, shear connectors, and shear studs. Hydrodemolition can be used for localized removals or patchwork and for large area removals in preparation for bonded overlays. Full-depth removal facilitates the replacement or elimination of expansion joints and exposes rebar for bridge widening projects. This technology can also be used to remove existing coatings from concrete surfaces. IVS Hydro crews travel the entire United States, performing all types of concrete hydrodemolition. The business continues to grow each year. We remove more than 1 million square feet of various concrete surfaces annually through hydrodemolition. IVS Hydro works with your engineers and estimators to determine the right equipment for your project. For general concrete removal, our 20K equipment is ideal. It uses water pressure at 20,000 psi to quickly blast away weakened and unsound concrete. The equipment is powerful, easily removing 3 to 4 inches, leaving a superior substrate for bonding. The 20K equipment can efficiently remove 8 to 10-inch slabs of sound concrete as your particular project requires. The process of hydrodemolition for new overlay projects removes the top surface of a concrete bridge deck. Usually the removal depth is 1/4 inch to 1 inch, but can be of any depth above the top layer of rebar. Removal of this type is done in order to provide a good microfracture-free surface for bonding with new sound concrete. This helps extend the useful life of the bridge deck by delaying the need for complete deck replacement. In some situations, excess water must be avoided. IVS Hydro now uses the latest technology in its dry HD at 40K process. Water jets remove the concrete at double the pressure and use just 1/4 the water. This makes it easy to meet environmental concerns about wastewater collection and disposal. A fleet of wet and dry IVS vacuum trucks leaves the concrete surface ready to pour. When roads and bridges can't be closed for long periods of time, fast-track hydro demolition is the only answer. IVS Hydro can have the old concrete removed in hours, so resurfacing begins immediately. Roadways can be reopened to traffic in less than a day. Whatever your need may be in concrete removal projects, IVS Hydro is the answer as it continues to provide nationwide hydro demolition services in a safe, fast, and cost-effective manner. When you're ready to use hydro demolition for concrete removal, contact IVS Hydro or visit our website at hydrodemolition.com. Your projects will be completed on time, within budget, and have a superior bonding surface for the new roadway.